Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, and today we're going to make a comparison between Hulu TV, Sling TV, and YouTube TV. I will cover their content libraries, streaming quality, pricing, and additional features. So stay focused during the video in order to decide which one is better for you. Now just let me give you a small intro about them. Hulu TV, YouTube TV, and Sling TV, they are three popular options that provide streaming services. Each has its unique features and offerings. And in this video, I will compare these three services based on differences, disadvantages, pricing, and highlight their key features. So let's first talk about the differences. When talking about the content libraries, Hulu TV, known for its extensive library of on-demand content, including current episodes of popular shows, while YouTube TV offers a robust channel lineup with unlimited cloud DVR storage. On the other hand, Sling TV provides a customizable channel lineup with multiple packages to choose from. Live TV channels. Hulu TV offers a wide range of live TV channels in addition to on-demand content. YouTube TV boasts a comprehensive selection of live channels, including sports and news. Sling TV allows users to pick and choose channels to create personalized package, which is actually a good feature in Sling TV. Now let's talk about the streaming quality differences among the three options. Hulu TV supports 720p and 1080p streaming for most content, while YouTube TV offers 1080p streaming for live TV with 4K content available for some networks. Sling TV streams in 720p with 1080p options for select channels. Now we are jumping into the advantages, and I'm gonna start with Hulu TV. Hulu TV has an extensive on-demand library, and the second advantage is the integration with Hulu's original content. The third advantage is wide range of live TV channels. Now when talking about YouTube TV, we have here unlimited cloud DVR storage, excellent sports coverage, and also user-friendly interface and search functionality. For Sling TV, here we have advantages like affordable customizable packages, which is really a thing that is unique to Sling TV as a streaming service. There are also extensive add-ons options for specialized content, and finally the availability of international channels. The disadvantages. When talking about the disadvantages in Hulu TV, you have limited simultaneous streaming. You can only watch two screens at the same time. Some content may include ads in Hulu TV, and you have no 4K streaming when using Hulu TV. And when talking about YouTube TV, it is relatively higher price point. It also has limited international channel options, and for sorry, there is no offline viewing for DVR content, which is actually an annoying disadvantage. When talking about the disadvantages of Sling TV, you can get expensive with add-ons. There are limited local channel availability and no cloud DVR included in the base package. Now let's talk about the pricing. Hulu TV with ads will cost you about $77 per month, while Hulu TV without ads will cost you $90 per month. For YouTube, you will pay $65 per month, but this is only at the beginning for the first 4 months. After that, you will have to pay $73 per month. And finally, Sling TV, you have three packages: the orange package, which will cost you $40 per month, the blue one package, which will also cost $40 per month, and if you want to get both packages, it will cost you $55 per month. Now let's talk about some highlight services. Hulu TV offers a seamless integration of live TV and on-demand content, access to Hulu's extensive library of original series and on-demand shows. It also has 50 hours of cloud DVR storage included. On the other hand, when talking about YouTube TV, has unlimited cloud DVR storage with content saved for 9 months. It also has wide range of sports channels, making it ideal for sports enthusiasts, family sharing with up to 6 accounts. And finally, Finally, the highlight services in Sling TV. Sling TV has customizable channel packages allowing users to select the content they want. You have also affordable base plans with the option to add extra channels. You have also international channel offerings catering to diverse audience. So, in conclusion, Hulu TV, YouTube TV, and Sling TV cater to different preferences and budgets. When it comes to streaming live TV, Hulu TV excels in combining live TV with an extensive on-demand library, while YouTube TV offers unparalleled DVR capabilities and sports coverage. Sling TV stands out for its affordability and flexibility in channel selection. So the choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you want extensive content libraries, you may choose between YouTube TV and Hulu TV. If you want good sports coverage and cost effectiveness, YouTube TV is going to be the best choice for you. If you need something which is affordable and flexible, Sling TV is going to be the best choice. So you should decide which one is best with your entertainment preferences. And that is it. I hope this video is useful to you all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.